Okay, hello, good afternoon. Welcome to today's edition of the live trading session. I don't know, is this Happy New Year? I think this is the first time I'm talking with us the afternoon session. Yes, let's jump right into it. Okay, let me mute everybody. Okay, yes. Let me go ahead and share our screen. Okay. Uh It's very, very, very interesting though. I think we had the high impact data even before the session. I think we had the high impact data by 2:30, so we had that impact data before 2:30. And that should I think that did it favor the dollar? Let me share my screen so that we can all look at it together. Mm, okay. So we have okay, core retail sales came out by 2:30. It came out good for the dollar. Let me, in fact, before we go into everything, the last time I was talking about the last time I was here, I think in the morning when I took MMR in the morning, I told us how we actually expect a fall on indices generally. It's going to expect a fall on indices generally and the continued strength in the dollar. I think that's likely going to happen for the rest of this week and even into next week. We'll look at it when we look at the market. But yes, the dollar had positive data, and I feel like this will strengthen. It means that the dollar is likely going to be strong during the US session by 3:30. Okay, so let's go right into our chart. So just like I was late last year, from around October or so, I was preaching to us about buying indices from support. I kept saying buy indices from support. But my message this time around is to sell from resistance. You understand? My message is to sell from resistance. Okay. I'm like John the Baptist and I'm crying. I'm saying your best position if you're trading indices is better you sell from resistance, okay, because it's on a downtrend. Remember how I always say that most times the most important information that will be given are information like this, not buy stop, sell stop, take profit, whatever. The best information that will be given are information like this. So you're advised that if you're trading US 100, you're trading D30, the best you want to do is to sell from resistance, because we envisage further sell in the market. Okay, we envisage further sell in the market. So let's begin. Let's look at dollar index first of all. On 4 hours. Sorry, let me give us. Okay, so we have the dollar index on 4 hours, and the dollar is currently bullish, currently strong. It's looking like it's going to break. It's breaking this, already trading above the resistance. We can't say it's broken the resistance yet, but it's trading above that resistance, and tells us that there is such strength in the dollar. The dollar has strength, and it seems like this strength will likely continue for the rest of this month. You understand? We noticed, especially with CPI data that came out last week, that there happened to be an increase in CPI data, which means that there may still be pressure on the dollar to increase interest rates. But the truth is that even though fundamentals have come out recently, especially just this afternoon, actually favoring the dollar in terms of core retail sales. You understand? Hey, so if you look at the dollar, even on 1 hour, you'll see that it's currently battling with a resistance. you know, but you can tell that the dollar index is on an uptrend. Okay, you can tell that it's on an uptrend. Look at it. Price has been able to give us considerable higher highs. Okay, so let me draw a trend line. Let's draw a trend line. Let's look at what this looks like. You see, so this is the downtrend it was following before, right? Now, if we were to check the uptrend line, you know, you can see that price has already has broken that consolidation zone. It ranged around here, but it has broken above it to tell us that price is now observing an uptrend. So the dollar is kind of strong. Your best bet, if you're trading in the coming days, coming week, is to trade on the side of the dollar, right? That's your best bet. So for that, based on that, we are going to look at GBP USD. GBP USD is bearish, is selling, and it's not a surprise when you consider the strength of the dollar, right? If you consider the strength of the dollar, you will discover that GBP USD sell is not actually strange. Okay, and it will not be a surprise if GBP USD comes back to test this proven support once again. If GBP USD comes back to test this proven support once again, that's around over 25 pips of fall in the market, right? So if you ask me, my preference for GBP USD, especially in this US session, is a bearish one. Okay, a bearish one. For conservative traders, you know, the closest resistance in GBP USD, the closest resistance in GBP USD is 1.26920. The closest resistance we have for GBP USD is 1.26920. And so that means that is a place you can wait to sell, right? But I would advise a sell on GBP USD. You can sell GBP USD from 1.26370. You can sell GBP USD from 1.26370 to around 1.26100. Okay, from 1.26370 to around 1.26100. You understand? That's what I would advise if you're selling GBP USD. Sell GBP USD from 1.26370 to around 1.26100. You understand? So you see, I'm going in below this weak support zone here. Okay, but even if it retraces back to the verified resistance at 1.26920, it's still a sell zone. Okay, so we expect continued strength in the dollar. So if you're trading GBP USD, in the meantime, you want to be looking out for sales around resistance zones. You want to be looking out for sales around resistance zones. Okay, that's for GBP USD. So let's move on from GBP USD. Let's look at US30 like I have here. Sorry, I hit this guy. Okay, good. So this is US30. This is US30. If you check out US30 also on the daily time frame, you will tell that there's still bearish pressure in the market, and that bearish pressure will likely continue today. Okay, I still expect a fall on US30 today. Okay, considering the strength of the dollar and the current weakness in the index market, right? So look at this chart here. Look at this downtrend. Look at how steep this trend is. Okay, in the market, how price has fallen considerably. Okay, now it means that if you're trading, just like I explained, US 100, US 30, your best position is to take sales. You're trading this instrument, take sales from resistance points. Take sales from resistance point. If you've been following our WhatsApp channel even yesterday, you can see that what we've been preaching usually sells from resistance point. Okay, you want to take sales from resistance point. I'll state it again. You're trading US 100, US 30, the index market. You want to take sell position from resistance points. Take sell positions from resistance point. This information, this sentence is enough to make you millions. Okay, but you still have people who will not take this important and be waiting for buy stop and sell stop. It's well with you. So if you're trading intraday scalping, you want to take sell position from resistance point. But for the sake of the US session, let's look at it on 15 minutes. So we want to take it from on a smaller time frame, for instance, on 15 minutes. So we have something like this. This is the resistance, right? Look at the most recent resistance that we have on US30. So we can also sell US30. You can have a sell from around 37,310, 37,310 to 37,240. From 37,310 to around 37,240, you could have a sell. Also, you could have a sell around this zone here, the closest resistance zone in the market, the closest resistance zone, and where this particular good. So you can have a sell from 37,310 all the way to 37,240, or you can have a sell from around 37,400. So even if US30 buys to 37,400, you can look out for a sell there. You can have a sell limit there. So even if US230 moves to 37,400, you can still look out for a sell to that zone, okay? But for those people who want to use sell stop, you can have it at 37,310, take profit at 37,240. 37,240, okay? That's my advice for US30. One, if you're trading now, for those people who long trade US30 intraday trading also, resistance points are where you're looking at. I've marked, let me mark two of the closest resistance points where you can sell US30 from. The first one is 37,400 and the second one is 37,550. 37,200, 37,400, 37,550. Go and mark it on your chart. Mark 37,400, mark 37,550 on your chart. These are zones you can actually look out for a sell and hold a sell on. Okay. We also have a sell stop at 37,310. Take profit at around 37,240. Okay. That's for US30. Let's go to US100. You see, US100 is also doing the same thing. It's approached a kind of support where it's doing a bit of a retracement, but given the fact that we still expect US100 to actually sell further. Now, let me state something. I actually got this from one of my mentors. Actually, was looking at the market, and we found out that US100 on the weekly time frame, for instance, for the past 3 years, from 2021, 2022, 2023, and this year, there has been a significant move. From the beginning of the year, US100 has been able to maintain a particular move. So, for instance, let me be as quick as possible for this. Let's go to January 2023, right? January 2023. January 2023 is around here. Good. So January 2023 is around here. Price gave us a doji, okay, or a hammer, and price was able to make at least 1,000 pips of bullish move in January 2020, January 2022. If you check January 2021 also, this is around January 2021. Let's look at January 2021. This is January 2021 here. Look at it, this place here. Price was able to give us a gravestone doji, and it really sold. And price really sold from that zone, right? So the same thing with what price is doing right now. For January 2024, price gave us an inverted hammer, confirmed it. And so it means that at least 1,000 pips is up for grabs. Okay, at least 1,000 pips is up for grabs when you're trading US100. So that's why I said the best way you enjoy US100 in this period, at least for this month, is to sell from any resistance. For those of you who do not have good capital, okay, I personally envisage that US100 is going to be able to 0.05. 0.05 right now, selling US100 right now, should be able to give you at least 800,000 naira profit, with a risk of around 300,000 naira. So that means if you have at least 500,000 naira, you can do position trading. on US 100. And that means that you can have a stop loss. You can have a stop loss on US 100 way above this place here. Your stop loss can be around 17,240. So 0.05 for my calculation, that should be a stop loss of around 300,000. It's not a small thing. With a passive profit of around 800,000 naira. You understand? So those are for position traders. Of course, this value I'm calling now, a stop loss of 300,000 naira. I know somebody there will be saying, what? But that's it. That's for position traders. You understand? But for those of us, most of us are intraday traders. Most of us are scalpers. And that's why I advise that you should sell from resistance. If you're trading US 100, trading US 30, sell from resistance. Sell from resistance. Okay? So for US 100, for instance, I could have a sell stop at around 16,790. I can have a sell stop at around 16,790, take profit at around 16,760. Personally, I expect US 100 to sell to around 16,000. I expect US 100 to sell to around 16,000. You understand? That's just stop loss. So take profit of around 800,000 or thereabout, just on 0.05. So it's not, that's what position traders do. Or although people are already on the sale on US 100, people are already on the sale. So it's the reason why that kind of stop loss is massive, because for those of us who may want to be entering a long sale now, we might likely be entering below where others have entered. You understand? So that's why the best thing for you is to now sell from a resistance point. Sell from a resistance point. That's the best thing you want to do. So you can sell from 16,790 to around 16,760. Okay. Also, you can look out for a sell from around. You can also look out for a sell around, even if price buys to around 16,900. Even if price buys to around 16,900, you can still look out for a sell. Okay. So please, what have I said about US 100 and US 30? Please, who can tell me on the chat what I've said about trading indices? What have I said about trading indices for the rest of this week, please? Who can tell me? Who can tell me? Who can tell me? Let me see if you guys really understand what I've said. Who can tell me? Thank you. Yes. 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 Correct. Sell from resistance. Sell from resistance. And of course, you want to trade US 100 like that. Hope you know you need good capital. I'm not talking to 20,000. I'm not talking to 30,000 naira people. You know, nobody's really looking at it, but you know, it will be too risky trying to take a trailer. You could be lucky, of course, but be too risky. So that said, I don't expect that you have what you need to do. Sell from resistance. Sell from resistance. Okay. So that's that. We've looked at GBP USD, we've looked at US 100, we've looked at US 30. Let's look at another currency. Someone was talking about USD JPY. So let's look at USD JPY. I don't think it's a good time to buy USD JPY right now. I think you should wait for a retracement before you buy. USD JPY is on an uptrend. It's on an uptrend. So the best position to take is a buy trade, right? The best position you want to take when you are trading USD JPY is a buy trade. Yes, the news came out positive for it, but USD JPY has gotten to a resistance. So it did not move as much. You understand? It did not move as much. It has gone to resistance. But you can see how clean this uptrend is on USD JPY, right? So for those that want to trade USD JPY, for traders of you, I would advise that you actually take advantage of the move on USD JPY. But what would my advice be? My advice will be to buy from a support. Buy from the nearest support on USD JPY. Okay, buy from the nearest support from USD JPY. Okay, so you can either wait for price to close above 148.020, going for price to close above 148.020 to buy, or let price most likely come back towards 147.580. Let price come back towards 147.580. 147.580, and then you can buy from there. Let price come back towards 147.580, and then you can buy from there. Okay, that's it. That's how it works. So that's how it works. So for USD/JPY, it's actually a buy trend. You understand? Gold is not for the common man. Oh. This person that is saying, please, gold for the common man. Gold is not for the common man. If you want to trade gold, also you need good volume. Oh. If you are talking about common man, you should be very interested in USD/JPY. I'm saying now. I'm analyzing USD/JPY. You are typing gold, and you are saying common man is where with you. Okay, so but that's USD/JPY. There's, if you want, if my advice on USD/JPY is also a buy. Dollar is very strong, so look out for a buy on USD/JPY. Okay, USD/JPY is still going to approach this verified resistance. USD/JPY is going to still approach this verified resistance. Okay, so that's over 40 pips, over 40 pips of a buy. So for USD/JPY, I advise a buy. Right, you can buy right now, or you can buy once it retraces to 147.580. But preference for USD/JPY, buy. Right, you can see how it is a bullish trend. People are just catching cruise on this chart today, Albi. Okay, oh. Hey, gold is for Indi Buruebu. Gold is for Indi Buruebu. Hey, nobody should correct me. Oh. Nobody should even correct me. You are the one that type it, and I said it the way I want to say it. Okay, well, I'm very happy today because the market is showing a clear path. You understand? It's not stressing me at all. It's an uptrend. You can see it on 1 hour. It's a clear path. Okay, so if you have a buy on USD/JPY, hold it. It's better to hold trades that are in line with the trend. You understand? So hold your buy on USD/JPY. Right? Let's look at gold. Let's look at gold for the common man. Let's look at gold for the common man. Okay, so what we'll have here is okay, so for gold also, just the same way we are expecting strength in the dollar, we actually still expect further fall in gold. Okay, if you ask me for gold, you still expect a further fall in gold. It's just that gold has approached a proven support, a strong support zone, and so it will not be wise to sell right now. It will not be wise to sell. So even if we are going to sell gold, the best place to sell gold from is a resistance. And look at this trend line here. Look at how well gold has actually fallen. So I personally expect that gold will break this support here. I expect that gold will break this support, but we cannot sell from here exactly. So if you're selling gold, let gold close below 2013. If you want to sell gold, let gold close below 2013, and then you can look out for a sell to around 2011. 2011. Let gold sell to 2013, and you can look out for, let gold sell below, let it close below 2013. I can look out for further sell to around 2010 or thereabout. Now, a better move would be if gold retraces back towards 2026. If gold retraces back towards 2026, I can look out for a sell. If gold retraces back towards 2026, even if it doesn't get to 2026, even if it doesn't get to 2026, once gold retraces towards 2026, towards 2024, from that place, I will look out for a sell on gold. I'll look out for a sell on gold, okay? So if you're talking about placing a trade on gold, my preference and my advice for trading gold is actually a sell, looking at the current strength of the dollar and the downtrend that we can see for gold, okay? So what we have been able to gather today is that the dollar is strong, okay? And we have looked at, because the dollar is strong, our preference has been to buy the dollar, right? Our preference has been to buy the dollar. Now, is it still advisable to sell when RSI is showing oversold? No, it's not. That's why most times I always give you retracement. So when price is showing oversold, it's not advisable to buy. You can wait for a retracement. Now, for instance, price can be on an uptrend. It's on an uptrend, right? But right now it's showing overbought. So I may not buy now. I may wait for it to retrace to the nearest support and then buy from there. Okay? I hope we don't get to answer this again. So that is it. Okay? Also, apart from these trades we have looked at, because we looked at US 100, GBP USD, US 30, USD JPY, like that. Apart from these trades we have looked at, what question is that? Somebody said, why are you jumping my question? This question I say I'll answer. I don't have I don't know where I would jump. If I don't see it, I can't answer it. Well, you have account officers, so you can always reach out. If I jump your question, throw it to your account officer. Okay. I'm out of USD JPY already, so I'm out of USD JPY. If you're in profit, target at least 10 pips of profit. Okay, target at least 10 pips of profit. So now what I was saying, and that's why I always like to finish before I look at this thing. Sometimes you guys throw me off my point. Okay, good. I'm saying that we are going to be, you should also be active on the US on the WhatsApp channel, because once the US session takes effect, we're also going to be sending a couple of other trades, right? But so now let's look at this. Somebody is asking me about AUD USD. I've already talked about how the dollar is strong. I've talked about how preference for something like GBP USD is a sell because of the strong dollar. I expect that, for people who are here, like, I expect that you automatically know what to do for AUD USD. Do you understand me? Like, it's when, and it's why I like to analyze the dollar first. Because I believe if I analyze the dollar first, it's very easy to learn every other thing. So I analyze the dollar, I analyze GBP USD, I analyze Euro USD, I analyze USD JPY, and someone is saying AUD USD. You understand? Come on, guys. Okay. So we are already in the 330 session. Do not forget, for US 30, we have it at 37,310. And we also have a resistance where price is approaching now. Price is approaching this resistance zone, and it will be a good zone for us to actually look out for a buy. Remember, I said you can look out for a buy from 37,004. Sorry, a sell on US 30 from 37,400. So you can scalp a sell from 37,400. You can also have your sell at around 37,310. Okay. So my advice for this instrument is a sell. Okay. For US 30 is a sell. For US 100 is a sell. GBP USD is a sell. AUD USD is a sell. Gold is a sell, right? Please, you people should make profit, oh. Please, oh. You people should make profit, oh. WhatsApp channel link. WhatsApp channel link. Just hold on, please. Let me drop it. So, guys, you have your instruction. The dollar is strong for this period. Okay. Don't be controlled by take profit. Go in there and take advantage of the strength of the. Yes, if the dollar is strong, USD card is a buy. Yes, it's a buy. You understand? It's a buy, of course. So I just dropped the link to the Rally Trade channel. You can see how the market. Look at how the market is selling. US 30 now is around that sell zone. No, US 30 is around that. Look at US 100 is already in our sell stop. Our sell stop is already active and in profit, right? US 30, you can be looking out for a sell around this point here. Don't dull. Made profit on US 100 and GBP. Congratulations, well done. This is what I want to be seeing. In December, I don't still know who the client is. Please, if you're the one who sent a gift to me in December, please let me know so that I can appreciate it. Someone sent a very wonderful gift to me in December. Anonymous. Okay, so please, the dollar is strong. Go and take advantage of it. Okay, go and take advantage of it so that you can reach out to me with your testimonies. But yes, on the WhatsApp channel, we will be dropping more updates on the dollar. Okay, this is the much you can take for today. Don't dull. The market is active. Go and take advantage of the strength of the dollar and make profit. Okay, so I'll have to release you guys. Even myself, I want to go and trade. Okay, thank you all for your time. God bless you. Bye for now. US 100 TP. US 100 TP. Make profit and close profits. Leave TP alone. Leave TP alone. These people. Leave TP. Me, I talk like a trader. Oh. It's not the one that you put TP and walk away, and then you now leave TP. If you are trading very well and TP has done you strong thing, you know that it's not by TP. Oh. It's not by TP. Leave TP, make profit, and go away and say thank you, Lord. Maybe see you another day. Okay, the name is Samuel. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for your time. Bye for now. God bless you all. Yes, D40 is the new update for D30. I've said bye like 3 times now. D40 is the new update for D30. Cannot trade D30. So D40 is what you trade on now. You understand? So if you don't have D40 on your chart, go to your quote session, right click, select show all. You see D40. You understand? So D40 is there now. Okay. Why am I happy? Because of the market now. Hey, I'm happy now. I'm happy. Market is giving us clear signal. So, guys, please, for those persons who have made profit from this, all well and good. Now, if you have not, there is still opportunity. GBP USD there. US 30 is still there. For you to look out for yourself from. US 100 is very close to our take profit. Do you understand? Look at US 100 is close to take profit that I gave. But I thought it's not about take profit. US 100 is really going to sell. Take advantage of that sell. It's going to sell. Gold will sell. Euro USD will sell. Don't dull, oh. Don't dull, okay? So for more information, stay glued to the WhatsApp channel and you'll be hearing from us. Congratulations, okay? Bye for now.